Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and today I am your Iota trading informant. Guys, Iota is not looking so nice. We have to check what's going up with Iota in the next time. Is it now a good time to buy or sell, long or short? We will check it now in this video. So guys, stay tuned, let's go. And we are starting with CoinMarketCap. You can see Iota plays number 50 on CoinMarketCap. Iota is going up a little bit, 1.4% in the plus in 24 hours, but in the week it's going sideways. 0.13% in the plus only. You can see this chart, a pump to the upside, a dump to the downside, and a sideways going Iota. We will check it now what's going on, guys. First of all, here's the Iota price prediction for the next days, for this week, for the coming week. And you can see the price prediction is not so nice. Here we are on the price about $1.30 for the moment. Then we're going down a little bit, sideways, a little up, and more down to the end of the week. The prediction is telling us we're going down more. This is not good, guys. We have Iota predictions until the end of the year. We have here a buy, a strong buy, a strong buy, and a buy, but the targets are not really big. Here, Facebook target $2.87. Okay, that's nice. Google $2, $1.66 mobile, and $1.67 here for internet. And that's not really big target for Iota. And yes, we have not a lot of good news for Iota for the moment. And the technical forecast is telling us we are bearish. 54% bearish, 46% bullish. And we can see here, this is the summary of all this here, the moving averages and so on and so on and so on. That means, guys, for the moment, it's not looking, guys, nice for Iota. But let's check it now. You can see here, Iota versus Bitcoin. What's going on? And you can see it. Yes, Iota is losing more and more against Bitcoin, and we are building a big triangle. A big triangle here. This is the daily time frame, guys. And if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see it. Iota is going down and down and down, and Iota is building more and more lower highs. That's not good. That's not really good. Lower highs here, you can see it on this point. Here we are going down with this high, this high, this high, this high, this high. Not really good against Bitcoin. So you can see it's possible to go down here more and more against Bitcoin. So maybe Bitcoin is pumping a little bit, Iota is going down more and more and more and more till this point here. And maybe, I hope for this, maybe here, end of the year, maybe we can break out here to the upside of this damn downgoing triangle here. Okay, that's Iota versus Bitcoin. For the moment, not the best thing. Sorry, guys. This is my chart picture for Iota. I drawed this since long time, and I showed it to you in my videos. Please watch the video if you did not see it, guys. I think, in my opinion, I think it's possible to see something like this. You can see it here. We are in a big red triangle. Here is a little green triangle. And guys, let me remove this target so you can see it better what I mean here. Let's remove this. So I showed you here on my videos, on my last videos, this was a little triangle. We go sideways, broke up a little bit. So a big dump to the downside. This big dump to the downside was a perfect buy position. And I made this buy position here. We made a nice parallel channel to the upside. As we broke it, I told you guys I am out of the trade. I made a nice leverage here to the upside. It was a really nice trade. I went out of the trade here on this point. After this, we went down and now sideways. And what can we see? We are still back in the triangle. So for the next time, if we will break out with a confirmed closing candle, this is the 4-hour time frame of this triangle, I will try a next long position. But I'm really not amused about this, because I think, guys, it's really dangerous for Iota for the moment to trade it, to long it. We have a lot of bearish news. We have a lot of bearish indicators for Iota. So I'm not ultra bullish, and I'm not trading a lot of volume with a lot of money. If it will break out, I will make a long position, yes, but with little money, not with big money. If we can break out here from this triangle, this is the new parallel channel to the upside. As long as we can stay in here, guys, everything is okay. And I think, guys, we will see in the next few days here, or in this week now, in the coming week, the important stuff. The really important stuff. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So you can see it. Now, guys, we are fighting here with this point. That's the Fibonacci 0.236, $1.27. The big support for the moment. We need to hold this, guys. If we will break through this, we will lose our parallel channel to the upside. We will lose this one here. And it's possible to go down here to this point to $1.12. If we can fight back this one here, this is the big resistance for the moment. That's the trend line for the triangle, and the price here is for about $1.32. If we can see confirmed closing candles again over this, it would be maybe the next nice long position here to the upside. And here is the next fight. What is this? This is the next Fibonacci line at 0.382, $1.42. We need to fight over this. And the important stuff for the moment, guys, we need to make a higher high. We need to make a new higher high over this point here, over $1.48. We need to climb back $1.50. As long as we are under $1.50, everything is still bearish and not so good, guys. Okay. You can see it here. This is the middle line, also the blue line. So this is the resistance. And you can see the next points to the upside. If we can break out again, we have here the next point to watch, $1.54. That's this Fibonacci here. The next one is here on this point to the upside here at $1.67. That's the next Fibonacci line. And guys, if we can break out again over this triangle, the target is still available. Yes, it is still available, maybe to the end of the year. Why not? If we can break out maybe here on this point, you know it, the target is on $2.10, $2.11, maybe a better one, $2.07, because here's the Fibonacci, the last high, this point here. So guys, these are my targets to the upside. But what if you're going down more and more? What if? And it's possible. It's really possible. It's not looking so nice for the moment. Let's make a parallel channel, guys. A parallel channel from the upside here over this highest point to the downside. That's our bearish channel for the moment. So let me show you. If we are going down from this point here more and more, maybe we can go up again, once again, $1.41. After this to the downside, we have the middle line. The middle line is a support. The end here on the downside is this line from the parallel channel. And yes, guys, you know my target here to the downside. $1.80, maybe $1.77, depends about where we will hit this point on the downside. I showed you here a Fibonacci, not a Fibonacci, a Elliott wave theory on my last video. So let me repeat it. Remove these drawings. Let me repeat my my Elliott wave theory. I told you guys maybe this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing wave. Then we saw the correction. Maybe that's a big question now. A B, and a C to the downside. And after this, it's for the normal thing to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave theory. Maybe 1, 2, 3. That's not working nice. Let me make it like this here. A 1, a 2. And after this, we should see for the normal thing a 3, 4, 5. But we are going sideways a little bit. And that's the question, guys. If we can break out this triangle to the upside, we may see here the $2.70, my target, down again, and then to the upside. That's the big thing, guys. I can't predict the future. That's clear, guys. But I can show you maybe the way where we are going. And for the moment, we are going not on a nice way. For the moment, we are going down here. Let me check one thing, guys, before we end this stuff here. Let me check the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band on this point here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the Bollinger Band is really close together here. And if you're zooming in a little bit more on the 4-hour, you can see it. A nice point to the upside, down to the end of the Bollinger Band. Now we are working with this one. Now we are working with the middle line. And this middle line is now the big resistance also. Can we will break out over this middle line? It's possible to see a Bollinger Band here on the upside, a price on $1.44. Or will we go down again, guys, and we will see a rejection from here? We have the downside of the Bollinger Band, $1.20. That are the big things for Iota to watch if you're watching the Bollinger Band on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-day time frame, let's watch it. We are still over the middle line. We are fighting here since long time, since days with the middle line. And important is now to see from here, the middle line is holding as a support, okay? And we need from here a nice pump to the upside. And here's the next thing to watch. That's the upper side of the Bollinger Band, $1.80, $1.90. Or if we will lose this line to the downside, this would not be really nice. We have a bad price to the downside. And guys, if we will go down again with the Bollinger Band, 50 cents. No, okay, we will not talk about this. Okay, that's this thing about the Bollinger Band. Let's check the Ichimoku. What's going on with the Ichimoku? Remove everything. Remove the Bollinger Band. Make a clear view to the Ichimoku. Where it is. Here it is. No, yeah. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. I know a lot of lines, but we can check this. Guys, this is the daily. Look at the Ichimoku. The blue line and the red line are the Ichimoku. The blue line is the 9 lines, the red line is the 26. And guys, you can see now a big fight with this. Since days we are fighting. Here we saw a candle under this. Here we saw a candle directly. Here we saw again a candle on this directly. For the moment we are under these 2 lines. That's really bearish, guys. We need to fight back the Ichimoku to the upside. We need this as a support on the daily. That's important, guys. What is telling us? What is telling us the ribbon band? On the daily, look at this. We are still under the ribbon band. We saw a nice breakout and this candle to the downside. Damn, guys. The good stuff is here on the downside, $1.21, the EMA 200 is holding. That's the good stuff. But we are still under the ribbon band. We need to fight back this damn ribbon band, guys. Really important. The daily, the 4 hour for the ribbon band is telling us, okay, big fight. Ribbon band is a red one. It's here a big resistance. And one of the biggest thing to watch is this point here, guys. That's the EMA 200 on the 4 hour time frame. It's a price about, for the moment, $1.32. As long as we're under this point, we are still bearish. I know it, guys. A lot of things, a lot of indicators. Some are telling us, okay, good. And the most are telling us we are not in a good position. So I'm showing you these things here. I'm showing all these things here to you because you should make your own decision if you are going long or short on Iota. And with all these patterns and with all these indicators, you can make your decision, guys. On the 4 hour time frame, we can also make here a nice line to the upside. That's a support line, guys. As long as we are over this line, everything is okay. But you can see it's a really close fight. And I think maybe tomorrow we will see here a breakout to the downside or a nice pump to the upside. We need to watch this. Also, we can make a line from the upper side here for the 4 hours over this point to this point. And you can see, yes, here we are going really close together. So if we maybe see a squeeze here and a pump to the upside, we may have a target here to the upside, $1.45. It's a nice, a really nice trade if we can see it. But if we will break down, guys, not nice. Guys, this is not nice. Okay, that's the 4 hour time frame. Let's watch really quick the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour, the ribbon band, and here also really important. Watch this, guys. We are fighting with the ribbon band. On the 1 hour, we have here a bullish ribbon band. We are for the moment over the green ribbon band. It's a support, and you can see we lost once again the fight here with this, the EMA 200 line, $1.31. We lost it. We saw a big candle to the upside, a big wick. You know it, guys. Big wicks to the upside are bearish. They are really bearish. Maybe we are going down from here, and yes, we are going down from. We need now bullish candles to the upside and not this one here. This is really bearish. Guys, you know now everything you need to know for the next days for Iota. It's dangerous. It's really dangerous for Iota for the moment. And I am not really bullish for Iota for the moment. Let's watch what's going on with Bitcoin. It's also really dangerous for Bitcoin. I have a really nice Bitcoin weekly video out there, a weekly forecast. Please watch it. A lot of interesting stuff for Bitcoin. If you are trading Iota, you must watch this video because you must be 100% in your trade, and you must keep Bitcoin in your mind. If Bitcoin is going up, Iota may follow, and we will check this together, guys. This is really important. So guys, thank you everyone. Sorry guys, thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, and guys, thanks for your thumbs up. I need your thumbs up. I need your comments. Please ring the bell. Please make an abo for my channel, and please support me, help me to keep this stuff online. Guys, I have also a really nice platform out there that's streaming 24 hours, 7 days a week. The name is Crypto Trading Informant, and Iota, you can see there. Long and short, buy and sell signals, all this stuff I'm making here, you can see there on my live stream 24 hours, 7 days a week. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye. Very important, not a financial advice. It is not a financial advice.
System activated.